Very good morning to my lovely children. How are you today? I am Miss Minal Gaur going to teach you literature. A new chapter, a first chapter of literature, A Real Champion, which is adapted from the Worth of a Skill by Manoj D. Thompson. Right? So, this is a story of a little boy who loved to play, who loved to do swimming, and swimming is his passion, and he wanted to take a part in swimming competition by which he can take a job and also take a scholarship, and he wanted to represent his name, his district name. So Lawrence is a boy name. Lawrence allowed the wave to lift him up and carry him toward shore. Lift him up. Waves उसको उठाती हैं आप लोग जब स्विमिंग करते हैं, then the waves will lift you up just like that. The waves to lift the Lawrence up and carry him toward the shore. Shore, समुद्र का किनारा, right? Then he swam with confident strokes the rest of this distance to the land. After that, the rest of the part near the shore, he stroked confidently. वो तैरने लगता है confidently किनारे तक पहुँचने के लिए, जो बचा हुआ पार्ट था वहाँ तक. As the sea breeze dried the body of his body, he ran home anxiously. Anxiously, जो हवा है, breeze. As the sea breeze dried the water off. Breeze dried the water, and after that he ran home very fastly, right? एकदम जल्दी में. Lawrence had to hurry. He did not have a watch or a clock at home. Why is he in hurry? Because he don't have any watch in his home also. He knew there was not much time left for the swimming competition to begin. वो जानता था, he knew that there was not much time left for swimming competition to begin, start. The competition did not worry him. He didn't worry about the competition because he loved swimming. He loved it. Swimming is his passion. But he had to reach the stadium in about half an hour. But he wanted to go the stadium or reach the stadium in about half an hour. आधा घंटे में पहुंचना चाहता था. All his life, if he went home now, he would be able to reach there just in time. अगर अभी वो, if he went home now अभी पहुंच जाता, he would be able to reach there just in time. Then he will reach the stadium in time. Lawrence had never been to school. He never go to school. Even though he was 13. He never go to 13 even he was 13. He knew that winning the competition would be the biggest break in his life. And he knew that if he won the competition, that was the biggest break in his life. It's a chance to improve his life. If he got the chance to represent his district in swimming, if he represent his district, that is good for it. It's a wonderful chance to him. It was the wonderful chance to him. That he could be a way out of his parents' situation. If he won the match, his life and his parents' life will be improved, and he would have a chance to attend special sports run school by the government. मीन्स उसको जो गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स होते हैं स्पोर्ट्स के, उसमें भी पढ़ने का, जाने का, सीखने का मौका मिलेगा. एंड परहैप्स अर्न अ स्कॉलरशिप. उसको क्या मिलेगी? स्कॉलरशिप भी मिलेगी. और स्कॉलरशिप क्या होती है? मनी गिवन टू अ स्टूडेंट टू अ प्राइज टू हेल्प हर और हिम टू स्टडी. ये स्टडी के लिए रुपए मिलते हैं जब हम कंपटीशन यूज जीतते हैं. स्कॉलरशिप कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक दैट. एंड मे बी बेटर एंड मे बी लेटर ही कुड इवन होप अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब. एंड ही मे बी इफ ही वॉन द मैच, so he could get a government job. Everything depend on his winning the swimming championship today. आज के swimming championship पे सारी चीज़ें डिपेंड करती थी. He reached home, wiped himself with a towel से पोंछता है, white, dressed, पहनता है, कपड़े पहनता है, and started out for the stadium. और जल्दी से बाहर भागता है स्टेडियम के लिए. He wished he had a watch with him, and he wished that he had a watch. उसके पास watch होती. There was no way of knowing whether he was on time or not. He didn't know that he is on time or not because he had no watch. He should have left earlier for the stadium. तो जल्दी निकल जाना चाहिए था. He should have left. थोड़ा जल्दी निकलना चाहिए था स्टेडियम के लिए. But he loved to see so much that he had lost track of time. But he also loved the sea, swimming so much. There he wasted the time, lot of time there. He started running the rest of the way to reach the stadium. He continuously running toward the stadium. Suddenly he heard a sound. It seemed to be the voice of woman crying and shouting somewhere. He heard a sound of a woman who is crying and shouting somewhere. चिल्ला रही थी कहीं पे. He crossed a small hill and looked toward the sea. जल्दी से छोटी हिल पे जाता है, पहाड़ी पे जाता है और देखता है सी की तरफ. There indeed was a woman, and there was a woman which is needed. The moment she saw him, she began shouting and waving her hand frantically, very anxiously. That moment, when the lady saw him, he shouting and waving his hand. Very quickly, Lawrence understood what she was trying to say. Lawrence understood that what he wanted to say. Someone was in trouble in the sea. He understood that someone was in trouble, परेशानी में. So, for a moment, Lawrence thought about what he should do. Said what he should do. क्या करना चाहिए? He needed to hurry to be in time for the competition. Here, there is a chance that to reach the stadium on time. On the other hand, his swimming skill was obviously needed to help someone, and in other way, his swimming skill said to him that help the needy person. Lawrence ran toward the sea. He reached the woman in a few seconds. My son, he is drowning. She said, the lady was saying that, my son, he is drowning. Do prayer. Cried the woman, lady बोलती चिल्लाते हुए. She pointed toward the open sea. और वो खुले समुद्र की तरफ इशारा करती है. Lawrence took off his shirt and he ran into the water. He began to swim swiftly. जल्दी से अपने कपड़े उतारता है और swiftly toward the young boy who was struggling against the waves. और जल्दी से उसकी तरफ जाता है जो बच्चा स्ट्रगलिंग कोशिश कर रहा होता है against the wave. लहरों से डर रहा होता है बचने के लिए। He helped the boy swim and pulled him toward the shore. वो उस बच्चे की मदद करता है और उसको बाहर निकालता है। So student, we will read the remaining part of this chapter in our next video. Thank you.